everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I'm going to show you guys this is the OfficeCore Luna Plus, and I've been using the OfficeCore M3 here for myself, using this almost daily. So I got one of these, something else. I love the EMEET stuff, so I got this one here for my son to use at his office. So let's give this thing a try and see how it works. So I'm actually opening up his gifts, but I'll try to keep it as neat as possible. And this is what the box looks like here. You can kind of see that's what it is there. And then it's got, the barcode and stuff on the back there, whatever. Doesn't really say much. It says it's got two-way audio, 8 mics, bidirectional audio. And so it should be pretty nice. So let's check this thing out. How do we open it here? So we're opening it up here together. Collaboration for creation. And so this is what it looks like here. So this is the device. And then we have a manual. That's a big manual. And I guess that's safety instructions, a warranty, 2-year warranty we get on this. And then under here we have a wire, and it's like, that's everything out of the box. So it's just the box over here. It is USB to USB-C. So let's check this thing out and see how it is. It looks like it comes with the little dongle. Oh, it kind of magnetizes it. Does it magnetize in there? Or is it just stuck in there? It's kind of interesting. Yeah, just sticks in there. But so this is the little dongle to use for the Bluetooth. I guess if your laptop doesn't have it, hopefully it'll just connect up directly. Because my laptop, I have a MacBook Pro. It just has USB-C ports, doesn't have USB ports, although I do have a converter somewhere. But let's give this thing a try and see how it works. It does have Bluetooth there. So let's see what we got here in the manual and see what it looks like here. It looks like it comes in all different languages, but it's English. Each one is 8 pages long, so that's kind of what it looks like there. It's good. You can actually read it. Kind of gives you the information on it. Let's go through all the different settings on here and just see what some of these buttons will do for us before we get it going here. I know this one here because I have it on my other one here. This is the AI noise reduction, which is actually really cool. It does that. It does obviously the phone hang up and pick up, volume up and down, mute, Bluetooth, and power. So there we go. And then on the port side of it, it has a USB, the USB-C in port. So that's where it gets the power from. Links, that's where you can connect it to like another microphone device, I think, so you can chain these things together if you have a long conference room table or something like that. It's just for a microphone, and then the lock, which is nice. It's got those little locks so you can lock it to your table. So if you have a conference room that's shared, so people don't swipe it away from you, so that's cool. And if you look on the side here, you can see the 2 little holes. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's got those 4 holes, and I'm guessing those are going to be the microphones. So I think it had 8 mics, so I guess each hole is a microphone. So it's got 2, 2, 2, 2. Probably kind of aims a little bit, so it'll get all the way around. So you can put it in the center of a circle table or a square table, and it'll get everywhere. So let's give this thing a try and just see what it sounds like. I'm not going to make a phone call on it right now, but I guess you could probably hook it up to Zoom and stuff and see how it works. Let's see what happens if I push the power button. I haven't even charged yet, so let's see. Looks like it came with 3 dots. It lit up, so that's probably 3 dots over there. I'm guessing that single light flashing means it wants to connect to Bluetooth. So let's see, how do I connect Bluetooth on my laptop? I don't have the Bluetooth thing. BLU Bluetooth. Okay, it says it found nearby devices. It found the EMEET OfficeCore Luna Plus. So I'm going to say connect. It made a little ding. It makes the same sound as my other one, so that's pretty cool. And so now it should be connected, so we should be good to go. So let's just, for fun, let's just play a video here. And there, I'm playing one of my videos. Wow, that sounds really good. It's got more, I'm gonna stop this for a second here. I'm just gonna, right off the bat, it's got more like bass sound. It's got a better sound than my laptop does. I guess probably because it's just in a bigger form factor than my tiny little speakers on my laptop. So it does sound pretty good. Let's see how the voice sounds on it from here. That's extremely clear. My microphone's right here. 3D printer here. This office is very noisy, and that's me talking. And it sounds surprisingly good. Let's show the volume buttons. So that's max volume there. This is the OfficeCore, and sounds good to me. Let's see if we go down on the volume. Yeah, for me, if I was talking in the office, I would probably leave it on 3 or 4. I have a loud, you probably can't hear it because I have a noise cancellation microphone here, but I have my towers over there for with my pumps, so those make a lot of noise. So this sounds really good. I like it. And so you saw how quick I was to connect it and everything like that. So it's actually up and working. Let me just pause this for a second here. But yeah, it's really nice EMEET one, and it comes with the little dongle, I guess, if you need that. But I won't even use it, but my son maybe will when I give it to him. I don't know. I'm sure his computer has that. But it's pretty cool. And then I guess you just hold down the power button again to turn it off. And you can see the little dots going away, and now it's off. So that's very cool. So I'm going to say this is a really nice little speaker here. So I'm going to say thumbs up from me. Pick up one of these if you need a office speakerphone or just one for the house. This would be nice even just like in the kitchen or something like that. If you're going to have like a Zoom call with the kids and stuff like that to talk to the family or whatever, you could just put this out in the middle of the table instead of everyone having to talk into like a phone. Because I know when I use my phone, oh, my phone is there. I know when I use my phone, it's more directional and it just is not great. So, I mean, I use my other one of these all the time. I even sometimes bring it in the car because it sounds better than my car speakerphone. So, very cool. And it's got all the noise cancellation and stuff too. So, it really works good for like a car if you're going to be doing that. And it's obviously battery powered. You saw I hadn't even plugged it in yet. So, if you're going to be in some noisy environment or anything like that, definitely pick up one of these to use. So I'm going to say this is very cool. Get it? It's the OfficeCore Luna Plus. Sounds as good as my other ones that I have my other EMEET ones. So it's good for an easier one to use and great for a big office. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.